guys, it's Rams, and today I'm hungry, so hungry, and I heard that eating one bite of marshmallow will make you think better, so I can think about how to make my snack and what to have. So yeah, one bite. One bite. Okay. So now, we're just gonna think. Ooh. Have an idea. Let's make hot dog s'mores. Hey. Okay. Here's your tutorial. So I probably need some hot dog buns or bread. Need some marshmallows. And you need some chocolate. Oh, here. This isn't chocolate, but this is like some stuff that I made for Christmas and I didn't eat it in time. It's like, well, some of it's chocolate. Oh, it's hard. Okay. And so that fell out. That's really good. I don't know if that's more of that. Let's grab a handful of this candy. Okay. I need to find chocolate. If I can't find it, I'll lose that chocolate. Is that chocolate hiding from me? No. Wait. Let's look in the cabinet. Hey. We have raspberry chocolate. Oh. Okay. Let's get bacon. Okay. So first, you take your hot dog buns. Wait. Also, rich crackers. Okay. Get some crackers. I recommend Ritz crackers, but crack juice is okay too. Okay. You get 2 sandwich crackers. You get 2 sandwich crackers. One marshmallow. this is Santa's foot. Okay. Some chocolate. Like one piece of chocolate. Okay. I put so much chocolate. Way too much. But now, we need to squish this on like that. And then, we're going to take this and put it next to a heater. Wait, what's that yellow stuff? Is that like mold or something? I don't know. Oh yeah, marshmallows don't get moldy. Just sugar. So after marshmallow says it's expired, you don't need to care. Okay. I'm just placing it next to a heater until it turns like, I don't know, until it's melting. Okay. There we go. That's our sandwich cracker. We're just gonna leave that thing there for a fair amount of time. Okay. Wow. That's what? That's salty. Crunchy and salty. Best combo. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Sugar cane. Ow! Oh yeah. Okay. If you eat too much sugar, you can die. So don't. It's not good for you. Don't eat sugar. Okay? Okay, one more piece. Don't eat sugar. Don't eat it. Sugar's not good for you guys. Don't eat sugar ever. Okay guys, so in part 2, when it's all melty and gooey, I'll see you guys again. First, let's take a look at this. What? I see you starting to melt.